00 to 022. The problem: every single transaction on Stellar is fully public. Anyone, your competitors, your counterparties, anyone watching the chain, can see exactly who paid who, how much, and when. For remittances, payroll, B2B settlement, that is a fundamental liability. The data leaks by default. 023 to 048. Why not Tornado Cash? Privacy pools already solve this with zero-knowledge proofs, but they solve it unconditionally, meaning sanctioned actors, money launderers, everyone gets the same anonymity. That is exactly why Tornado Cash was sanctioned by the U.S. Treasury in 2022. Unconditional privacy is a regulatory death sentence. 049 to 122. The differentiator. ShadowPass is different. To withdraw from this pool, you must submit a single ZK proof that simultaneously proves two things without revealing who you are. 1. You own a valid, unspent deposit in the pool. 2. Your identity is provably not on a sanctions list. The chain verifies both. No observer learns which deposit is yours, but you cannot withdraw if you are sanctioned. This is compliance-native privacy, not unconditional anonymity. 123 to 158. Why Stellar? Why now? This was not buildable on Stellar before January 2026. Protocol 25 shipped native BN254 elliptic curve operations and Poseidon hashing as Soroban host functions. Protocol 26 extended that with the scalar field arithmetic needed to make Groth 16 proof verification affordable on-chain. Before those two protocol releases, a verifier like this would blow Soroban's entire compute budget. We are building exactly what those releases were designed to enable. 159 to 242. Live demo. Deposit. Here is the live application on Stellar Testnet. Freighter wallet connected. You can see the address in the top left. I click Generate Deposit Note. Watch what happens. The application computes a Poseidon commitment entirely in your browser. The secret never leaves this machine. Only the commitment, a hash, goes on-chain. This is the deposit. No one watching the chain knows who made it or what secret backs it. 243 to 340, Live Demo. Withdraw now, the Withdraw tab. I paste the secret from my saved note, enter a recipient address. This could be a completely different wallet, a different identity. I hit Withdraw. The application now rebuilds the entire deposit tree from on-chain events, no trusted server, and generates a Groth 16 proof entirely in browser using SnarkJs. The proof says, I own a commitment in this tree, and my identity is not in the sanctions tree, and this nullifier has never been spent. The Soroban contract verifies the BN254 pairing check using Stellar's native host functions and releases the funds. Withdrawal confirmed on-chain. Nullifier marked spent. That proof can never be replayed. 341 to 410, Honest Scope. Honest Scope note because judges who know ZK will ask, this is a fixed denomination pool. Every note is the same amount, same pattern as the original Tornado Cash, which lets us avoid variable note-splitting complexity in an 8-day solo build. The sanctions list is mock data seeded for the demo, not connected to a live OFAC feed. We say this explicitly in the README rather than pretend otherwise. The trusted setup is single contributor, appropriate for a hackathon, not production. 411 to 446. The roadmap. The production path is clear. Replace the mock sanctions list with a maintained Oracle, Chainlink feed, DAO governed list, or a regulatory-approved data provider that periodically updates the on-chain route. Add variable denomination note splitting, add relayer support so the withdrawer never touches gas. The compliance proof circuit is the moat. It is the first privacy pool you could put in front of a regulator and explain without flinching. ShadowPass, Stellar Hacks, Real World ZK.